Congratulations on your purchase of the Pilot Diode laser. You now own one of the highest quality lasers on the market. In this short video, let us show you all you need to know to set up and start using your Pilot laser. First, let's make sure that you received all of the contents when we shipped you the laser. You should have the laser unit itself, the dust plug in the end of the handpiece stem, the wireless foot pedal with a 9-volt lithium battery, the 8-foot power cord, 2 interchangeable handpieces, a small one and a large one, the laser key with LED keychain, a digital timer, 3 pair of protective laser glasses in a soft bag, the laser safety sign, the operator's manual, a warranty registration card, and Pilot box with foam. Now that you've removed all of the packaging, let's go over the buttons, switches, and plug receptacles to familiarize you with the laser unit. On the front, we have the safety key switch to ensure safe on and off modes, the control panel, where you'll make all of the settings and use selections, the LED screen, to show your settings and selections and to let you know when the laser is functioning. When the laser is on, you will notice that the button color matches the LED screen colors. On the top of the unit, we have the handle for easy carrying and the emergency laser stop button. On the left side of the laser, we have a slot to hold the handpiece stem when the handpiece is removed. Here on the back of the laser unit, we have the power cable receptacle, the power and fan switch, the fuse receptacle rated for 2 amp 250 volt T-type fuses, location where the optional wired foot pedal could be installed, and the remote interlock connector for optional entryway safety shutoff. Here is the wireless foot pedal. It's battery operated, and it's how you'll engage the laser during use. CAO has carefully designed the Pilot laser to be safe and has included guidelines for a safety program in the owner's manual. 4 of the most important safety steps when using the laser are to never use the laser without the handpiece sleeve. Make sure everyone in the room is wearing a pair of laser safety glasses. Only point the active laser at the target tissue. And keep the laser sign posted when the laser is in use. Be sure to consult the manual for full details on safety procedures. Okay, now we're ready to set up your laser. This is the power cable with a standard 110-volt plug. It installs on the back of the unit, like this. It's best to plug this into a power strip featuring a surge protector like this one to protect your laser from any power surges that might occur. Here is the handpiece stem with a dust plug on the laser output end. Prior to using the laser, you need to remove this dust plug by pulling it out of the end of the handpiece stem like so. To keep your laser at its cleanest and optimal functioning state, it's always a good idea to keep the dust plug in place when you're not using the laser. Place the handpiece that you want on the handpiece stem like this. The key switch on the front of the laser is the safety on and off switch for the laser. Turn it to the on position as labeled. The laser will not operate even if the power fan switch is in the on position, if the key is not inserted and engaged. When you complete a procedure, remove the key and keep it in a safe place. This power fan switch is the first item to switch on before using the laser. But remember that this does not mean the unit is on. The key switch must also be turned to the on position. When the emergency stop button is depressed or down like this, the laser will not turn on. To disengage the emergency stop button, press down on the button while turning the button 1/4 turn in a clockwise direction. The button will release and pop up again. Once you have turned on the power fan switch on the back of the unit, and have inserted the key and turned it to the on position, and release the emergency stop button, the LED screen on the control panel will light up and the laser will be in standby mode. By pressing the blue mode button on the control panel, you can change between the continuous wave and pulsed energy modes. The continuous wave mode is indicated by the blue symbol here, and means that the laser will deliver a continuous level of energy in joules per second as long as you have the foot pedal depressed. The pulsed energy mode is indicated by this blue symbol and means that the laser will deliver 10 pulses of energy per second with 1 period of rest between each pulse as long as you have the foot pedal depressed. To set the proper wattage for the specific procedure you're going to perform, simply press the red up or down buttons on the control panel. Please consult other instructional videos available on our website to show you how to perform different procedures and what recommended wattage to use. The aiming beam is also a laser beam, but of a different wavelength and has no clinical purpose. It lights up the area where you'll be treating, and its light level can be adjusted by pressing the orange aiming beam button on the control panel. Your pilot laser comes with a manual setting and 3 programmable settings as indicated by the green M, P1, P2, and P3 symbols on the bottom of the LED screen. You can save up to 3 programs for routine procedures. For example, select Program 1 and then set the wattage to 2.6 watts. The aiming beam at maximum, and the mode at pulsed energy. Then press the Ready button and these settings will be saved for Program 1. And the LED screen will show a green check mark indicating that the laser is ready for use. The pilot laser is easy to clean and maintain. To keep the laser aperture clean, always place the dust plug in the end of the handpiece stem. To clean the handpieces, wash them in warm soapy water and rinse, then place them in an autoclave. The exterior of the laser can be cleaned with a liquid disinfectant such as Byrex or Sidex. Be sure not to spray the disinfectant directly on the laser exterior, but apply it with a sponge or wipe. And that's it. That's how to set up your pilot laser for use. Be sure to review our video on how to perform a procedure, and also check out our videos on performing specific procedures from neuropathy to fibromyalgia. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new pilot diode laser from the CAO Group.